and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and giving first impressions on the Aquagear Filter Pitcher. Having clean drinking water is essential to overall health, so I'm always looking for new things to try out, and I've had a lot of different products before, from distillation systems to other pitcher filters, so we'll see how this one compares to those. This is one of Amazon's top-rated water pitcher filtration systems with a price point of about $70 to remove a very decent amount of contaminants, if you ask me. And they're really open about their lab results. You can actually find the full lab test results as well as any other questions on their website, which I'll link in the description below. Once you have unpackaged your product, make sure you rinse off any packaging dust that may be on the item. And then check to make sure you have the lid, the pour spout, the reservoir, the filter cartridge, the actual carafe and that it's not cracked, an easy fill opening, pitcher handle, and the flushing assembly. One of the cool things about this company is that for every filter purchased, they provide 6 months of clean water by installing water filters in developing communities. They also send you a bag to recycle your filters once you're done using them, which doubles their donation. So every time you buy a filter, they donate another 6 months through the Aquagear Foundation. Once you have everything unpacked, you're going to want to take the flushing assembly and bring that to the faucet to prime your filter for 2 minutes at low pressure. If the water starts to seep up into the cap when flushing, just lower the water pressure so that way it's not overflowing. Make sure you hold on to the flushing assembly after you unscrew it and store it in a safe place. The flushing assembly can also be used in the future to reflush the filter. Each filter should last you about 150 gallons, and you'll be able to tell that it's time to replace your filter because the water flow will be reduced to a slow trickle. If the flushing bulb doesn't fit your faucet, you can try holding the bulb against the faucet and let the water run through on low pressure. Once you remove the flushing assembly, the filter screws in easily to the reservoir. The filter cartridge should be tight on the reservoir to prevent water from leaking and bypassing the filter. Hand tighten the filter to the reservoir to make sure it is completely sealed. Because this filter removes a wider range of contaminants than most filters, it may be slightly slower than you're used to, but they do guarantee that their water is worth the wait. If you do have any questions, concerns, or comments, they do offer same-day support. One of the things that I like from my first impression of this is that it looks like it's going to be easy to clean and maintain with the filter screwing on and off as opposed to a traditional sit-in filter where water can seep around the base of it and get into your already filtered supply. They do recommend though that you keep this filter out of direct sunlight so that way it doesn't grow bacteria. But you can clean this in the dishwasher or just in the regular sink by hand with hot soapy water. One of the things that I like to do with the first batch of filtered water is to actually get rid of it, because that's kind of a test stream to clean out any loose bits. But I found that this filter actually went through the water at a surprisingly quick rate, so I wasn't upset about having to dump any batch of water. So once I got a chance to first taste the water from this filter, it was in fact clean and crisp. And after being chilled, it was just the way I like it. No funny weird tastes, no metallic leftovers in your mouth, just good tasting water. So we'll see how this filter holds up over time, but it's off to a good start for sure. The filters are easily replaceable and available on Amazon as well. Enjoy and be well.
So I hope this helped you to decide whether or not this is a good product for you and your household. If you have this product, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.